Correct. And if we go back, it means like 6,500 years ago, people have been living here. So, this here now is kept in the Republic Square in the History Museum. I don't know if you have gone there or not. If you will go there, you will see the real example of this weather here. Not only this here, but also many other things have been found in this part. Now we will go inside the cave to see the other things, the first winery and also many other things. Just people, we are walking 15 centimeters far from the edges of the cave, okay? Not allowed to take pictures? Allowed, you can take.
Okay, because you saw this
No,
stamp.
don't take it. You have no problems. We know that if we will not let you take it, please, you will kill us. It means that this part has left to be their kitchen because many household things have been found in this territory, like spoon, knife, fork, big kettles, and so on. That's why we used to think that this part was the kitchen.
We're going inside the bird's cave.
Here, please, guys, watch your head because this part is narrow. Watch your head, Sorry? Thank you.
Jest kania kamerze basın. Jest kalanımızı bir kanı mıydı? Ayın
You know, I've never been in any caves in the Philippines. Now I am in Armenia, and now walking in a cave.
Gidės kania kamenca testi var. Ha. Сейчас.
So, the cave consists of 3 holes. The first hole was the one that we show where the shoe was found. This is the second most important part of this cave. This is the first winery of Armenia. Like Armenian people started to make wine from here. You can see these big wine jars. This was the place where they used to make it. So again, from here we can conclude that we don't exaggerate or we don't imagine anything. This is the truth. This is the story of Armenia, that Armenian people started to produce wine since like 6,000 years ago. This is the proof of all that, but of course not only wine, this is winery, winemaking territory, but also in ancient times when Armenian people were not pagan, were not Christian yet, they used to do special ceremonies during funerals. And here have been found some tools, some special equipment which were used during funerals. And again, we can conclude from there that people really lived here. At that time, people used to make wine from grape and pomegranate, like these were two the most plentiful sorts of fruits to make wine. But now Armenian people used to make wines from all kinds of fruits, especially in Armenia, who have many farms, many fields of apricot trees, peach, strawberry, so they make wine from all these kinds of fruits. This is the second hole of this cave. And you can also notice that temperature here, right, is nice. It's not cold here. The temperature here is always the same. Like summertime, wintertime, there is no any difference. The temperature here is always from 10 up to 14 degrees. That's why we love to come here in summertime. Where it's very hot outside, we just come here and it's nice. Be careful. So, as it is said, people lived here, we can say it for sure, because it was many years ago, and we can only conclude from these researches. Some people just, they want to say that people actually, Armenians didn't live here. They actually came here in winter time to keep themselves warm because of the temperature, and also to hide themselves from the wild animals. Some people mention that they lived here, like they used this place as their house. And even say that this small room you see there was one of their bedrooms. And also, the people who dig here found a tunnel which connected, like here we have the Arpa River. From the river, it was connecting tunnel to this place from the Arpa River, like water connection. It was with the help of this tunnel. And let's go to see the ending part of this cave. By the way, the excavations are still going on here. They are not over. And maybe some other things will have been found here that are not covered yet. Sorry? By the way, this place we also call Birds Cave, because in summertime one can see here many birds, especially bats are here. They just come, they like to spend their summertime here. That's why we call it also Birds Cave. Birds Cave or Birds Cave. You see this part?
Yeah.
Okay, people. Imagine that this part that we are now was their living room. The part over there was the kitchen, and this is like the corridor, which connected kitchen from corridor. They came to the living room. You see? And this is the place from where we came. At that time, they just used the short one to go down to come, but now we use the long one to explore, to see the whole mysterious cave. Why we call this place mysterious? Because it's really impossible to believe how people lived here, how they survived for many, many centuries. And that's why people still dig here. I hope some gold coins also will be found here. We are hoping for this here. And also remember I said that bats live here during summertime. So you can notice that some parts of the walls are black. Actually this black color, the bats that stay here in summertime, they produce like a liquid which becomes black, and later people, Armenians and also Russian people come here and they use this black color like this material to make medicine. Which is very good for immune systems. It's very expensive medicine. And I will just show you here one really Can you imagine that a stone can grow itself without any help? You see this stone? This stone grows. Like a flower, like a plant, like a tree, but it is stone. It doesn't mean anything for that. Just it grows. This stone is almost 5 million years old stone. And only for one piece of stone needs more than 500 years. That's why. This is unique type of stone here in Armenia. Nowhere else we can find this. The only one which grows itself. You see? Which one? This part? You mean, yeah. He says, look, even here you can see that it's growing.
Եվ որ տիտանական շարժման ժամանակ բարձրացել է օվկիանոսի արտաքին, ինչ-որ մի ժամանակ քարայրը եղել է խոնավ, հետո էլի ռելիեֆի հետ ինչ-որ բան է կատարվել, օդափոխանակության համակարգի
By the way, this place was filled with water, like it was under the ocean. But when the water level just went down, this cave appeared, like people found. That's why this place was very humid at that time, but later, year by year, when there was no water at all, just you see Armenia, there are rock mountains everywhere, just became the cave like this. That's why you can see the sand and all here. So this is the story of cave. If you want, you can stay inside to take something. If not, you can follow me. I am going down.
Mamaya walang tulugan na.
Thank you.